Boy, don't keep teasing me like this. Either take it off or put it back on.
Let me show her all. Let me face things over and over again.
Hi everyone, I'm going to react to Wolf, Baekhyun Focus, and it was a request by Lucio Byun. And here we go. Yeah, get it out there. Mami tengo la million. People are so tired. That's switched. I kind of wish I could see what's going on since he's just like standing there. What song is this? Boy, don't keep teasing me like this. Either take it off or put it back on. Ay, Lord. What song is this? Somebody tell me. Because I don't think I've heard it before. Get a chance. You are such a tease. No, no tengo no minyo. No, no tengo no minyo. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Look at what he's just like move. Oh my gosh, I can't. Oh, he took it up, but the screen went dark. I love that ending, man. It felt like that the way he just stood there and just moving his body, like just let it swing a little bit, reminded me of, I don't know what kind of award show it was that he had like a solo break. dancing, something that he did. He was just on the floor, on his knees, and he was just moving like that. I love him. I love him. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.